Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. And oh my gosh, you guys have to tell me what you guys got for Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you. So I wanted to show you this, another Happy Planner bundle, right? So it says Color Me Happy, and it's a nice book bag. And then all this stuff, you guys. You're not going to believe all this stuff. And I can't wait to put it to good use. All right, so let's go ahead and go through everything. We've got some metal discs. They're beautiful and pink. You see those? They've got the little heart on them, just like that. And they are definitely metal. And then some washi tape. We've got how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 rolls of washi tape. Very thin, teeny tiny, but I'm sure we'll put that to good use. Oh, let me just do this one right now. I already opened it and looked at it, and I cannot wait to use this one. It says, creativity is contagious, pass it on. Albert Einstein, and look at all these pretty colors, and then even the inside is nice and colored, and it's so big, and I just love it. Now we're going to get into the fun stuff. We've got Happy Illustrations. This is the sticker book, and look at how pretty. We've got, there's llamas, some fruit, plants, animals, some leaves, some large 2-pack or 2 box stickers, some odd shapes stickers, some long ones, got lots of chores and shopping, some lists. I know I'm doing it kind of awkward. Balloons, oh, beautiful colored balloons. Some birthday stuff. I'll definitely be using this week. So my brother's birthday is the day after Christmas. So we will be celebrating that. Even though he's not with us any longer, we still remember him on his birthday. And then this is classic sticker sheets. And it says focus on the now. And look at this, you guys. It's so pretty. Can you see that? They're clear stickers. Little doodads. You've got the gym, money, ironing, plants, an alarm. You've got some little gaming stuff there. And then now those same type of stickers, but they have color in them. This is some nice stars. Those are in gold, and then we got more stars in silver, like a holographic. So pretty. Unfortunately, you can't see like all the beauty that I see here. So we've got some labels, plan, call, appointment. Those are all beautiful colors. And then in black and white, we've got some focus on and to do, priority stickers. And then here's the opposite in white with the colors. More fun things to do, a little bit larger stickers, some nice box stickers here. And you can't see it, but the insides are come out too. It looks like just one large sticker, and you can use it as one large sticker. It's actually 1, 2, 3 different stickers here. And if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe, and you'll be able to see what I mean. Same here. This is one large sticker, but if you take out the middle, you've got a window sticker and a mid sticker, and then a very thin window sticker as well. Same with these circles. Same with these boxes. More. We've got these little fun triangles. I'll be using those. These are little tiny strips. They're very long. So if you want to see them, make sure that you are subscribed so you can see, because I'll definitely be using these. We've got a bunch of little round dots and some half circles. We've got some white to do dots, alphabets in a variety of colors, some rainbow or ombre, if you will. Got some more stickers with the white, and we've got some colored letters and some silver holographic letters. So this is a fun one. So these are all the basics of what we got going on here. This one is boxes and borders. So again, if you're looking for color scheme to go off of, there's like a copper, a holographic silver, some more copper that's like a shiny black, some purple. It's got, and these all say like lunch, dinner plans, coffee plans, spa day, game day, that kind of stuff. Lots of arrows. This is a lot of work stuff, day off, vacation, payday, remember, appointments. These again are in different colors. This one will be used a lot. Create, action, vision. Lots of goals, put your dreams. These are nice and bright for rescheduling, plan ahead, cancel to-dos. Little boxes, thought boxes. Oh, for appointments, what, where, and when. These are great. And practice this week. This is perfect. This would be good for piano. We've got some holographic boxes that are lined for some nice to-do lists. Just some great, fun, organizational boxes. I cannot wait. Oh yes, I will be using all of these. So probably you'll see a plan with me tomorrow. All right, let's see this one. I haven't opened it, but we're gonna open it right now. I'm gonna come on this side. And it says productivity. And they're sticker pads, and they've got stickers on them. Oh, it's a little plan box. Goal block. Jot it down, get it done. Some grids. This will be fun just to put in my little book with some, what's it called? My little pen bag. So when I just need something, I could put it on there real quick. A weekly focus. And it looks like, oh, there we go. Definitely will do a rainbowy theme with all that basic rainbow colors. And we've got some sticky notes that will fit right in your planner. We've got some adhesive pockets. How many are in here? It looks like 3. And you just peel them and stick them. So that's fun. And then some note paper here. It says important, and they're all different colors. Got different things. Here's a list of things I have to do. Notes, you got this, and important. So that is cool. And then these are giant MAMBI stickers. And look at this. Talk about colorful. And I'll just show you. We've got will work for planner supplies, happy plans, happy life, punch today in the face. It's got a nice punch there. The gang's all here for planning. Shush, planning's in progress. Love my planner. Just so much fun things. I think one of these are gonna go on my water bottle for sure, like this one. She planned a life she loved. So, living my best planner life. These are so fun. So, you guys, oh, that's not. It's time to organize when that kind of stuff happens. So, you guys, all of this stuff from that Happy Planner, Color Me Happy bundle. So much. And I think the bundles are like $35. Something really inexpensive, especially if you get it on like free shipping day. So I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. I can't wait to do my next plan with me. All right, beauties, have a great day. Merry Christmas and have a great week. Bye.